Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working in our kitchen garden. We have lots of herbs and cabbages. We're going to be harvesting all of those things and also propagating the herbs so that way we can have fresh herbs all summer long. So I hope you guys will follow along and let's get going. Our cabbage. Woo! Look at that. All right, well that is all for today. We were able to harvest our cabbage. We also harvested some chocolate mint and pineapple sage and oregano. So I'm super excited to use this in our kitchen, and thank you so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.